Good day, everyone. I have exciting news. We are preparing to launch our first workshop class in Knowing Christ Jesus Spirit. This class will change your life permanently. I mean, forever. Many have said, I wish I could have a conversation or a dialogue with the real Jesus Christ, just to fill in the blanks for why some things have happened to me, or for guidance in making decisions, or to become proactive to avoid the adversary attacks. When you are in a crisis, you will need to get to Jesus Christ soon. There's no time to call any clergymen or priests or pastors. Additionally, you have to make an appointment, or sometimes it doesn't seem urgent enough. Well, Jesus Christ knows you, and he knows the big things and the small things and how they are important to you. Well, since Jesus Christ is faithful, thank goodness he's available 24/7, 365 or 66 days of the year. Revelations 19:11 says this: he is called faithful and true. This is a 10-week impactful course with limited seats available. Unfortunately, I can only limit the class to 10 students for the classroom workshops. Class will be in session starting Monday, March the 2nd, 2026 at 7:30 p.m. through 9 p.m. Then every following Monday at the same time until the last class on Monday, May the 4th, 2026. Again, the dates and the times are available on the post. I will pin this video to my social media pages. The registration link will be available on January the 1st, 2026. Thank you, and I'll see you then. Bye.